Hey friends, welcome to my vlog Sahla Parveen, and today I'm going to speak about a beautiful topic, friendship. Now, this is one topic everyone knows and everyone really want to know more about because there are a lot of, especially teenagers messaging me that I don't have friends, I want to have good friends, they are not taking me in that gang. So I want to share few of my realizations that you have to keep in mind when you are, getting into a new friendship, and also my experiences that I had from my younger age to to where I am right now in the area of friendship and making beautiful friends. I am blessed with wonderful friends right now in my life. But if I think, when I was young in my school days, I had very few friends actually. I was actually, I really wanted to get into a lot of gangs, but they were not taking me. So because it was my mistake, not their mistake. They were all beautiful students who were studying around me. I was so insecure. I was not feeling good about myself. I felt I was not good in my studies, so they will not like me. I was always a backbencher, and all those insecurities actually didn't give me confidence to go and get into a gang, and I was not a part of that gangs which I wanted to become. That was all my problem. So what you have to realize is, point number one is, see, everyone want to be with a confident, wonderful, beautiful people in a group. So if you want to, be in a group, I think you need to love yourself first. You need to become your first friend. If you really like yourself, if you are very impressed about yourself, I think others will also love you the way you are. So the first point is, always work on your confidence, and you are your best friend that you can actually help to grow. So and even in the when I was in my college days, that time also I want to get in, groups and become in good groups. So I know most of the people, what they do is, and also make sure that you don't get into wrong groups trying to impress others, like all those yo-yo groups and all that. We feel very impressive when they do a lot of adventurous activities together, and eventually what happens is, we also try to act and do things that we don't actually like to do, to be a part of that group, to say you are also doing something nice. But what happens is, after some time you may lose yourself. Like in my college days, some topics I used to not like to talk is all about, all the dress and movies and ornaments and beauty tips. These were the topics which were not really interesting to talk for a long time. Obviously I also take care of all those things, but to get into a wonderful girls group, I used to try to talk all these topics and make them, me interesting. But what I realized is, after some time I am losing myself, I am losing who I am. Eventually I stopped that, and I started becoming myself, and people started accepting me the way I am. And from there I got wonderful, beautiful friends. And like like Les Brown have told in his one of his beautiful speech, which gave me so much of realization. In your life, you should have lot of friends from different categories and different angles, who actually help you to grow and become a better person. For your career purpose, you need to have some friends who talks much about career, gives you more guidance in about your career. In your school time or your learning part, you should have some friends who actually help you to learn and grow. And in some other part, when you do research, you need to have some friends in that category, and some friends only for fun, only for talking, only for having all that stress relief talks kind of friends, and some people only to go for movies. These kind of, when you categorize your friends into different areas, I think each people can contribute in your life to become a better person, and you to contribute them to also become and better people. So friendship will always see, it's something I believe is eventually growing. Like some people message me, can I be your friend? I don't think this is something which can happen, with a request that you become my friend. But I what I make sure in my life when I make friends is, this is something when you eventually do something, or you have a beautiful purpose, people come together, or I believe there is some soul connections that, soul friends come together in our life, support us. But once you take someone in your life as a good friend, you start believing them. Before I trust one person forever with me, I just observe them, their character, how they are, and everything. But once I trust them, or once I hold them, or their hand in my life, or to be a good friend in my life, I think forever they will be a part of my life. No matter what they do, as after that is good or bad, I will always stay together to support them to go to next level, rather than criticizing them. People make mistakes. As a friend, it is always, what we can do is we can support them to come out of it, help them and show them the right direction. The same things are happening through the friends to us also. And always make sure, one thing, whatever is happening in your life, in my life, there are some friends in some point of life, they have influenced us to become whoever you are becoming in your life. Make sure those influences are right influences and not wrong influences. Especially teenagers go to wrong gangs, wrong things, because see, when especially the boys are studying in college, boys, girls, everything, now there is nothing like that. If you don't drink at least once, you are not a man. So show you drink, all that competitions and all that, people get into it for one time, they start smoking or using drugs, and they become addicted to it. To show that you are strong, you are adventurous and all, you start doing this, but they are not realizing they may lose their life if you are not able to have a control over it. So make sure that you have right friendships in your life. Before you make someone, you get into a gang, understand what's the purpose of that people going forward. Are they actually growing people, or are they actually coming down people? So there are a lot of good friend groups. What happens is, like, if you just see itself, there are some groups, they always try to tease others, because they all are having lack of confidence. The person who is having lack of confidence also will go into that group. And we always find, those groups, if you just remember your college days, will find others faults, will keep on teasing others, will find others mistakes. There will be one gang of groups who likes to study more to get more marks and all that. So make sure that whatever group you are in, it's actually having a positive output towards life. You don't actually always talk negative things. If so, please try to correct your thought process and also your friend's thought process. If you're always talking the problems of others, I think you are actually not growing, and you are on the process of dying. Actually, when you are not growing, what has happening is actually dying. So make sure that you have friends in your life who actually grows, who actually helps others and yourself to grow, to become a better person. The people who actually good friends will show your mistakes, stay with you to correct it, be a part of you, will be compassionate, kind, to grow together in life. Find those people in your life, and make sure you actually stay with them and they stay in your life. I always say you have to have at least one friend in your life, one friend who will not judge you, who will not, who will love you the way you are. There are a lot of, at least few secrets in our life that we are afraid to share to others, that they may judge us, what will they think about us. But at least if you have one friend who knows everything about you, still love you the way you are, I think you are the luckiest person. So, when you visualize for someone like that in your life, they will eventually come into your life. I am lucky enough to have beautiful friends in my life who supports me, understand me the way I am, with all my insecurities, in my problems. See, everyone have problems, me and I do have fear. People ask, how are you so fearless? I'm not fearless. I have fear. I am overcoming my fear. Still there are moments I am afraid of. still I am trying, I'm learning. So always make beautiful friends in your life who are ready to grow, learn together, make you a better person, and help them to be a better person. One other beautiful topic in this is about soul friends, soul mates, and twin souls. That's not a topic that everyone may like to listen, but if you like to listen, please do comment on this video. I will talk about it in my coming videos. Thank you so much, and make wonderful friends. And I'm so lucky and happy to have so much of beautiful friends in my life. Thank you.